What's going on, guys? It's Monday. I just finished dropping my daughter off at school, just a little bit past 8:30. This morning I figured I'd load up the quad, take it out, and maybe do a little bit of partridge hunting. It is only 2 degrees outside. It's super foggy, so we got a little bit of time before things heat up a bit. So make sure you stick around and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Don't mind the messy back seat. All weekend I've been out. I've been using a 22, had some success, and we did some target practicing. Yeah, then this should all be secure, and this is pretty solid in there. Quick little walk around. So it's still pretty foggy out there, but I think we might have some success today. Well, we just got to the destination where I'm gonna offload the quad. It's just after 10 o'clock and it's still saying it's only 4 degrees outside, so hopefully this fog starts lifting up soon, because as you can see, she's still pretty foggy. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'll offload the quad, I'll lock everything up, and then we'll go for a cruise anyways and see what we can see. right out here. There you go. We got everything loaded up on the quad. The truck, it's all locked up. It's just about 10:30 now. As you see, it's still pretty foggy. So we're about 10 minutes in now, maybe 15. Check out that view. The sun is just starting to come out now. The fog's pretty much gone. My hands are freezing. Just had to stop to use the bathroom. Nothing. No. I already got two.
Did you?
No. Have no cell service, so it should be an interesting day.
Okay, so we don't find you by 10 o'clock today?
Time to know by noon if I'm not home by noon. Don't forget to hit the like button.
Yeah.
Well, not too many birds out on the roads, so probably still up in the trees. It's just starting to get a little warm out too, so I think they will be out. It's just a matter of time. Because it was cold all fucking morning. So I think they were hibernating and now they're gonna come out and feed pretty soon. So we'll just go through these little brushes. I've had a lot of luck coming along just the tree lines like this, and then you'll see them at the edge of the fucking, right at the treetops, midway, just as the sun's coming out. Fuck, I wasn't paying attention and there was a pretty big hill there. And head back that way, because that does lead to my truck. Put it in 4x4 just to be safe. Big chicken shit. Yeah, none of these roads are maintained in the back, so yeah. hopefully it doesn't get too deep. I could always back out, but oh yeah, that's fuck all. Woo, little deep there. That's the road we turned down. I just came across this little goat trail in the back. I don't know if that connects to that road, but we're gonna go find out. Not having too much luck right now. The birds are not very active. But then again, it was -2 this morning, and you've seen all the fog, so I think it's a matter of time before they start coming out. Right now, I'm really looking at the trees as I drive. Oh, it's a dead end. Somebody's camp. Someone had a fire here. There's a lake just on the backside of these trees. Kind of cool. This road number 1, and as we head back towards the truck, we'll venture off down some other roads. So we'll call this little back trail number 2. Like if I was one of those birds, I'd be up in here, guaranteed. But I'd probably get shot right away. I'd be a dumber bird than they are. I've never been up here before. Looks like it's all cleared out. Well, I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna hit up the main road again, head towards the truck, and we'll venture off on some other side roads. I'm gonna shut the GoPro off just so I don't kill the battery. So this would be the side road number 3. And there's the camera. So in Ontario, I think you can camp on ground land up to 21 days without getting hassled for free. And actually, me and my brother on my next days off, which will be in 2 weeks, we're going to be taking the camper and the quad out, and we're going to go find some ground land. And I'm going to document it all, so make sure you guys come back, like, subscribe, and I'll keep posting. Should be a good time. So I drove down side road number 3 for about 10 minutes. I'm just about to turn around. There's not much happening back here. It is a nice area though. If I had a full tank of gas, I would definitely keep going. check it out. Not much action going on. So, let's see. But worst case scenario, when I go back to the truck, always set up the target and shoot a few rounds with the 22. But I am still gonna try to get some birds, that's for sure. Okay, so there's a truck just ahead of me that way. There's a trail right here. And this would make it, like, I lost count, but here's another side trail. No point going up the road quite yet. He's moving pretty slow there. Well, we just got back to the truck. It's about noon, 12 o'clock. We put on 58 kilometers on that little spin. We were out for an hour and a half, 2 hours. Didn't see one bird. I do got some stuff to do back at the house. So I'm gonna load up the quad and head out. Okay, that didn't take too long, maybe 5 minutes, maybe 10. Didn't take long though. Quad's all loaded up. It's about 12:15. We are gonna get out of here. I'm not even gonna bother with that. Well, just leaving now. It is 12:20. Should be in town in about 10-15 minutes. If you guys enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll be posting more content bi-weekly, so should be becoming a little more consistent anyways. So thanks for watching, and yeah.